Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to link a Facebook group to a Facebook page. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. Right now that you are currently in your Facebook main page, head on to your menu. It can be on the top right or the bottom right depending on what device you are using, if it is an Apple or an Android. In here, what you want to do is to press Groups. And then, what you are going to do is to press the search bar. Now, look up for the group that you want to link your Facebook page by joining. Once you have looked up that page, what you are going to do is to basically join that page. And then, ask for the admin's permission if you can become an admin, because that will basically link your page to the Facebook group. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now link a Facebook group to a Facebook page. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.